Hey, welcome back. Here we are. We're working on the TJ project again. We're going to make the roof rack. So we got this pipe. We got lots of pipe. How are you going to hold this heavy piece of pipe in place, weld it, not damage your Jeep, and get things lined up the way you want? Man, you got to have a plan. Come up with a plan. We're building some racks out of wood. We've cut this out so that the pipe sits there. We're going to be able to put these on the roof. Like this. That is going to support our pipe. So let's show you how we're cutting some of these. Let's get going. We'll show you what we're doing. Our favorite tool, the Ryobi drill with the hole saw so we can cut more wood. So let me get some wood out. Let's start cutting. We'll show you how that works. Like and subscribe. Post notifications on. Don't miss it. How to make this happen? First, get your boards clamped together. Let's see how that works. And then you can put your drill here. You want to make sure you leave yourself some space. Kind of line that up. You can see where that was with the last one. You'll dull this if you hit the concrete, so make sure you put something underneath. Flip it over, you can see the drill hole, pick up the same spot. There you go. You get two halves out. All right. Gonna make us some more of these. Woo! All right, hey, peace, guys. Okay, so here's what we've got. We've got now 8 pieces of wood with a cutout. We're going to cut up some short pieces, start making some frames we can bolt on the roof, kind of make a rack to sit on top of that roof. We can start laying the pipes over, so we can start figuring our bracketry out. So like and subscribe, post notifications on, guys. Well, we're back at it here. We're going to show you how we're going to make our roof rack pieces, get our screw gun, start putting some stuff together. To ensure alignment, we're going to lay a rod. You can see how the alignment there. Alignment is very good. Okay. Okay, that's how easy that was. So now we'll be able to hang our pipes off the side of the Jeep. Let's make another one of these for the other side and get her lined up. All right, you can see we got one up there. We'll go get the other one and lift it on top. Ain't as easy as you'd think. Here's a knot to hit the other one. All right, we got them up there. I gotta go get a stool so I can screw them together up there. We'll put a couple screws, so stay tuned, I'll be back. All right, you remember we made these handy pieces. So these handy pieces go here like this, and then the pipe's gotta be here. So we're gonna kind of guess to line these up somewhat for the bar. So we'll tape one on here. I'm going to test fit the bar. Oh, there we go. See, that's going to hang like that. About like there. So we'll take this down and get some measurements, all right? That's pretty close to what we want to do. Okay, so here's what we've determined. We're at 62 and a half, we'll be a little narrower. So we have to take that apart, take it all down and redo it. But that's why we mock it up like this. So we're gonna make some changes and we're gonna move it closer together. See you in the next video. Don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. You don't wanna miss these, okay? We're going to make some adjustments. We'll be good. So we'll be back in the next video where we're going to start working on brackets once we get this fit a little better. Catch you in the next video.